Alright, so the next step in the process, I've got plenty of pictures of the painting portion. Now we're going to be adding the actual film onto the water. So here's this part of the process. Shiny side down. I tested which side was the sticky side. So now here we go. Alright, so now the film has to sit on the water for about 3 minutes. It'll work out all the bubbles. Give the film time to actually settle. And then we'll go on to the next step. So I'm going to scoot the bubbles out. Alright, so now we're going to wait 3 minutes for the film to settle. Then we'll spray the activator. Alright, so we've given about 3 minutes for the film to kind of settle in the water. Now I'm going to use the activation spray. We're going to hit it with the activation spray, and then once we do that, I've already put handles on the piece so that I can dip it straight in. So here we go. Turn this back to a normal position. Do a little test spray. Alright, about 30 seconds, you can see the film already starting to want to separate. And there it is. Looks like the pattern did kind of want to separate on this side over here. That just means I need to reinforce my tape a little bit better on the next run, but there you go. So the next step in the process, I got to take it in the house and then rinse it for about 5 minutes.
We could be holding up our light. We could be fighting for what's right. Or we could be falling to pieces. Under the bridge of fire burns. Somewhere the pages start to turn. And somebody whispers, I need this.
Alright, so for this part of the process, over this weekend, I'm painting these covers. I'm going to do a little different. I'm going to do this portion in a gloss black, let it dry, tape this off, and then do the white base, white gloss, and then camo the outer portions. And then when I pull this back, we'll have a little bit of contrast. Then I'm going to actually pull, these are the vinyl letters that I've had on it since I bought it. I'll pull those vinyl lettering off, and then I'll have a gloss base back here with the metal on the top and then the camo on everything else. So we'll see. Ready? Alright, first dip, engine covers. All right, everyone, so I'm finished with the process. I've actually got everything back in the car. Notes from this process, I'll say you have to take your time. Be patient, let the paint dry, let the dip cure, give it its time. In my process, through this whole week that I've gone through this, I had to redo the strut covers and the front charger plate because I rushed through a certain portion. I tried to clear coat it too fast before the other portion was done. So take your time through the process. Overall, it was fun. It was cool to see this process take place, and now it's time for the reveal.